Please, what do you think about being on dating apps? Is it an avenue to make yourself available for intending guys?
Wherever he doesn't send you to, he will not give you transport money. I always say that God can meet you anywhere as far as he has led you there. If he has not led you there, you have no business there. When you're going to a general platform to look for something specific to you, there will be more confusion because everything will begin to look like it. But the question is, does God want me to be here? Where is God leading you to? Father, am I properly positioned? Am I where I am supposed to be? I'm going to tell you, go where the Holy Spirit has led you to. Go to the places he wants you to go. Your husband or your wife is hidden in your daily routine. Is hidden in what God has asked you to do. So follow the leading of the Holy Spirit on the course of your life. He will meet you there. She will meet you there.